What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing
Boxycharm, Boxyluxe.
Yes, Boxyluxe, not Boxycharm.
It's a more expensive one.
And this month, since it is the more expensive one, we've got a much bigger box. It is a lot bigger, and I feel like it's bigger than the last Boxyluxe box. I don't know. But I am excited to see what's in it. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm pumped.
Okay. Let me get the card so we can play our game. And this month it says Boxycharm's theme is all access. I don't know what that means, but like I don't know what it means for products.
Unrestricted access. I'm trying to think of a different word.
For the products?
Unrestricted availability. I don't know. All access. I don't know.
Okay. But I did get the card 7L with a heart. So if you got that, you probably got the same exact box as me. You ready?
Yeah.
Why do you say it like that?
Well,
Yeah.
yes.
Alright, first thing we are pulling out is this Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. So this is it right here. And it comes with a mirror and it has 10 shades. So these are all the shades. So this is by Violet Voss. Essentials.
$22.
Almost. $29. What do you feel about it?
What's terracotta?
Isn't that like the pots? Like those terracotta pots that you put plants in outside? Do you know what I'm talking about? Oh man.
Fancy. Like, this is the lighting we need.
Yes.
And a seller's exclusive. Dusty Rose. Sounds awful.
Why does it sound awful?
That's not an appealing color.
Okay.
Dusty Rose? What?
I don't know. Alright, the next thing we got, throw that back over there, is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chiseled Palette. So this is it right here. And I'll open her up so you can look inside.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like without the unicorn on. And it comes with a big old mirror. And it comes with all your contouring and stuff. So, it smells delicious. Delicious.
I guess. What's it? Is it supposed to smell like something?
It's like, I don't know, Tarte always has that smell to all their products.
Halo Enhance Carrot, spelled like diamond carrots.
Yeah?
Princess Cut Angel, or Angle. It's Angle. And Crown. So, funny story. Speaking of Princess Cut, before Anna and I got engaged, she always wanted a Princess Cut diamond. It's just something that I picked up on and through conversation, and I knew that, you know, that was the cut of diamond for the engagement ring. That was easy. So I buy the engagement ring. Probably 2 months or so before I actually proposed. I had this whole thing planned out after I graduated college. We were going to take a trip to West Virginia, and I had this whole thing planned out. So it's bought. It's at the apartment or house or wherever we're living at the time. And she just starts talking about how, you know, I think I like emerald cuts. I like emerald cuts. Give me an emerald cut whenever you decide to buy it. Yeah, sure, absolutely. What else would you like? And she just goes on this whole thing, and it is not what I've just bought her, but it's too late. So she's stuck with it.
Yeah, but I decided at the end of it, this was when I was into my whole, was it Desperate Housewives, that TV show?
Yes, Desperate Housewives is a TV show.
Yes. So, one of the Desperate Housewives has an emerald cut diamond, and I was like, oh my god, yes, I love it. I love this show. I love that diamond.
Yeah.
That's what I want. But I decided at the end, before you proposed to me, that I had gone back to princess cut.
First world problem. The cut of this engagement ring just will not do. All right, so Tarte Park Avenue Princess. You think they're talking about the Park Avenue in our city?
No.
That's nothing to brag about. $46.
Oh my god, $45.
What? Tarte representing. I'll just okay.
Yeah, just put it on top.
All right.
All right. Next we have. Oh yay! We have by Glow Recipe the Pineapple C Bright Serum for brightening and smoothing. Smoothening?
Smoothening is the word, but I'm not sure what it says on there.
Let me open this up. I'm like really excited to get this. I've been seeing like ads for it.
She's using scissors incorrectly, and that's what made me nervous. The kid's safety scissors, but she'll still find a way to slice her finger.
So this is it right here.
Oh, I'm glad they stuck with the pineapple thing.
Yeah.
Sarcasm.
Oh. I wonder if it smells like it.
Oh, so it probably smells like raspberries. Oh, look at that face. That's the face of honesty right there. Well, Glow Recipe will not be a sponsor for our YouTube channel anytime soon with faces like that, Anna. Let me see what's going on
We'll
here.
smell it.
It smells like old baby food.
That's what I was thinking.
No, it's not.
No, what?
It's not.
It's not.
That's not what you were thinking. What do you do with this?
Okay,
Put it in
so
your eyes?
it says, no, you don't put it in your eyes.
Hold on, let's see.
I almost died.
When?
Just now, I about choked on
Oh
myself.
my god, it would have been recorded. I'd have been in the clear. I didn't have
It
anything to do
says-
with it.
Apply 1 to 2 drops on the clean skin and gently pat into skin for optimal absorption. Apply daily, morning and night, and follow with moisturizer. During the day, use sunscreen for sensitive skin. What do you do? What does it do?
Oh, let's see.
Reveal poreless, translucent, and illuminated glass skin with brightening pineapple.
Where's all put?
Are you like really using that right now?
Yeah.
All right, you
Dab it
better.
in. Let me dab it in.
Yeah,
For
you better hurry
optimal-
up.
optimal
It's like
stuff.
going everywhere. It says this lightweight liquid is formulated with 3 types of vitamin C, including 22% pure pineapple juice, a potent source of natural vitamin C, natural AHAs, and bromelain enzymes. Blended with calming chamomile, the formula retexturizes, hydrates, and soothes the skin for a luminous, glowing complexion. How do you feel?
I mean, you can feel like you just put something on your face. It's not burning,
Well, that's good.
I guess. I don't know.
Well, it says for sensitive skin, only use 3 to 4 times a week, and then gradually increase.
Okay, well.
I mean, your skin does look glowier,
Thank God.
but it could be just the lights.
That's the effect I was going for. Thank you, new recipe.
It's Glow Recipe!
Glow Recipe. Alright, let's rock and roll, cuz.
Oh, wait, you didn't tell me how much.
Oh, yeah, well. I spent so much on the pineapple packaging. $31. Way off?
49. It's expensive.
Okay.
This brand.
You should have spoke nicer about them and not made a weird face.
Well, the smell threw me off.
I got you some cool merch.
Okay, the next one is
You know what
by...
they call it? Merch.
Merch.
What do they call it?
No, merch is like what people try to sell. Like, oh, come buy my merch.
Okay, so what is it called then, smartass?
PR.
Maybe we're thinking of something else. Maybe we're
Like, what are
of
you
different
thinking
things.
of?
Doesn't matter. Let's go.
Okay, so we have the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. We did get the face wash. Remember that yogurt face wash? It's
Did I
a
use
lot
it?
with the slime. No, we haven't used it yet.
Well, then why would I remember?
But we talked about it. It was in another box. Anyways, so this is the packaging right here. If you guys watched a previous unboxing, you would have seen like the big face wash. That was similar packaging by Dr. Brand as well. So this is a hydrobiotic recovery sleeping mask. Ooh.
Ah, okay. That's when I like to apply my masks is before I go to sleep.
Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation.
That's me. Made for me. My blood pressure and hatred keep me nice and red. So.
Did you smell it?
It's got a little seal on it.
Break it.
All right. We're going crazy tonight, folks.
We're opening it all up.
I mean, it smells like, you know, lotiony kind of.
Yeah. It does.
Just kind of like an unscented lotion.
Yeah, I could do that. Smells a little outdoorsy.
All right, so this is $35.
It is $52.
Damn, that's a lot. It's a lot of money.
I didn't pay $52.
We're thinking about this third thing that's right at the $50 range.
I know this was a good box so far.
It's something.
Okay, we got the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Smell it.
IGK.
Ooh, that smells good.
Reminds me of UGK.
Okay, IGK, I'll give you a hint.
The rap duo. Stands for Underground Kings, R.I.P. Pimp C.
Okay.
Who's the other one, Anna?
Who's the other one? What?
And UGK.
Underground Kings.
Yeah, Pimp C and...
Pimp C and Juicy J.
No. I think it's Bum B.
Oh.
I don't know.
It smells good on it.
Juicy J was 3 6 Mafia.
Leave-in conditioning balm. Bum.
Vegan.
Yeah.
Cruelty and gluten-free. So when you decide to eat it, you're safe. Is gluten applied to the skin? Is that gonna make you poop like it would if you eat it?
Does gluten make you poop?
I think so, right?
Leave a comment
Write down
below.
the comments below. What does gluten do? Why are people so scared of it? What do they call that?
Like if you put gluten?
No,
like if you
what's
put
the thing where
rice
you
on
try
you?
to avoid rice?
It was rice gluten.
People that avoid gluten, they can't do it. I think it's because they makes them poop real bad. Like the people that are like allergic to beef kind of thing. If you're allergic to beef and you eat it, you poop it out a lot. And that preservative that you find in Asian food a lot too. What's that stuff called? People are allergic to that.
MGKs or
Something like that. It is something like that. Anyway, people are allergic to that. Makes you poop.
somebody help us out here.
Comment.
Leave a comment.
We tried to live stream this, but apparently you can't do that from a mobile device.
I'm not big enough in YouTube for mobile live streaming
Yeah, so
yet.
what the heck, guys?
I gotta get on the computer.
Alright, so anyway, what does this do? It's a hair balm.
hair
Okay,
balm.
so $19.
$29.
Okay.
I gave you a thing. I said it since before.
Yeah.
Smells good. It says weightless.
It weighs. It has weight. Mass. Density.
Yeah, but it says it's not gonna weigh your hair down.
This is tangible.
Next. Oh, whoa. Oh, we still got more stuff besides just this. What is this?
Looks like human hair.
Did I eat a wig?
Or a weave.
Maybe I should put
If you get a wig, I'm putting it on. And that's all there is to it.
It's something for hair. Oh no, I got a clipless curling iron from Sutra Beauty.
Cool.
What's it? Open her up. See what she looks like. Oh, there's a coupon in here. Do some curling of the hair. Use code BOXY25 for 25% off at their website, guys. So if you're interested, they've got flat irons, ceramic irons, curler sets. I don't know how good they are, but I'm willing to try them out. So what do you think?
$70.
Almost. $65. It says, oh, with a cool tip. Why'd you do that?
I'm curling my beard.
What?
Let's plug it in and see who can hold on to it the longest.
No, let's not.
I'll win. Put it on your gun, too. Can't do that too much. YouTube will pull the video.
Yeah, you better stop.
They don't like guns. This guy. That's John Wick right there.
You're John Wick now?
I could never be John Wick.
That's the one where I don't like to watch it, isn't it?
What's that now?
That's the one that I don't want to watch, right?
Well, yeah, they kill his dog. In the
I'm not into that. If you ever have a movie...
spoiler alert. If you haven't seen it by now, you suck. But,
if you ever have a movie that has that happening, I will not watch your movie.
Yeah, so directors watching this video,
yeah,
keep that in mind. Okay?
I refuse.
Okay.
Boycott. The next thing we got is from Hank and Henry, and it's the Slick With It. Blickety black long wear liquid eyeliner.
I think I could hang out with Hank and Henry. That's my speed right there. Blickety black.
Slick with it. I'm trying to open it so we can see. So I love the packaging though. Although it doesn't make me think that it's black.
Looks like a calligraphy pen.
Calligraphy.
Calligraphy.
And this is the tip.
It looks like that, yeah. What do you do with that?
You do your eyeliner. Like the, you know how I
Okay.
do my eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is what that's for.
Or guy liner.
Or that too.
Think about it. Blink 182.
Yeah.
Fallout Boy.
Yeah, back in the like what, 90s? Early
I think
2000s?
Fallout Boy's still around. They were just in that Teen Titans Go episode where they were BER. Night Begins to Shine.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
I love that.
Okay,
you gotta tell us.
$17.
Hank and Henry is $20.
What are you gonna do?
We've got one more product left, and it is by Stila. And it's the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. And I got it in Rubino. Rubino?
Rubino.
Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can see that. That was stupid.
Rubino.
Rubino? Rubino?
Rubino.
Rubino. Rubino. I don't know. I'll swatch it.
You're gonna swatch it on your face. And I was like, that's weird. Don't do that.
It kind of smells like chocolate, though.
Like red velvet.
Oh, yeah.
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 Let me see. I don't know. It looks like old.
Stop it. I can't with you. What are your thoughts?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Well, I mean, I don't like the smell. And it looks, I don't know.
It's like a brick red.
Is this like an
Is it like a
affordable
brick red?
brand?
No, Stila's in Forge as well. Stila's along the lines with like Too Faced and Tarte.
Stay All Day liquid lipstick. $22.
We have a winner!
Yeah.
Right on the money.
Yeah.
Yay! If I had like little confetti things, it'd go.
We'll work on that next time.
Yeah.
Confetti. Explosions.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed these videos, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
You sound so depressed.
I'm just me.